Hello guys, welcome back to the video. This is another new fascinating strategy that I bring to you guys. As you have known, on this channel we give ourselves VIP strategy for free. Okay, this strategy is mainly for volatility 75 and volatility 100. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video so that you're going to get everything I'm going to say. Don't forget we do account management, VIP signals, and there's an ongoing investment platform running. So if you want to contact me, the link to my WhatsApp channel, my WhatsApp will be in the description below. If you want to invest on my website, the link is also in the description below for you to invest on my website. Okay, the website is 100% assured. You make a lot of money while you are actually a trader. Okay, so now this strategy needs a good account to carry it. Okay, and don't forget we do account management also. If you're so busy you can't trade, you message me. And mind you, please don't trade when you're troubled. Don't trade when maybe you break up with your girlfriend, you're trading. No, you don't do that. If you're having a family problem, you don't trade. If someone shout at you, you don't trade. You don't trade in the public environment. If you want to trade, make sure your mind is calm, your mind is settled, so that you can watch the market very well before you go in for your trade. So that is it, guys. Is 100% assured and 100% legit. Okay, you don't trade in the marketplace. Please be guided. Okay, so you don't say I blew my account while I was in the market trade. No, we don't do such. Okay, if you're at home, you're relaxed, maybe you don't quarrel with your wife, you don't quarrel with your child and all those stuff, then you can trade. But if you're having maybe a stressful day at work, please don't trade. So now let us get back to the video. This strategy is for volatility 75, and there's a millionaire strategy if you use it very well. So now, if first of all you go to your higher time frame to check, this is it here on the 15 minutes time frame. As you can see from here, it came all the way up here to this place down here. Let's calculate it. Let us see how many pips it's going to give us. It's giving us 23,128.75, which is a lot, guys, which is a lot. So now when you come back here, you also see it here on the 1 minute time frame. You also see it here. Okay, you also see it here. Then let us calculate it also down to this place. This is where okay, here is saying 10,358.88. so that is what it's saying. So now, guys, let me quickly show you guys how this thing works, then I show you the settings. Okay, now if you come here, if you watch from here, here, as you can see, and also here. Okay, once it crosses the 80 level, just as indicated, once it crosses the 80 level, then you go in for your sell. You sell and sell and sell and sell and sell and sell and sell, and comes down. Okay, when you come down, when it gets to the 15 level, you enter for your buy. Okay, you just buy. You can hold in your trade and continue buying. Okay, you can see where it went up again. Here it came up here again. Okay, it came up here again and here again. So you enter for your sell. So this strategy, guys, is one of the best strategy you can use for your volatility. As you can see here now, this one is trying to go up here on this place. Okay, this is where it started from, and it will go all the way up, just the way this one will go all the way up to this place. Okay, so be guided, guys. This strategy is very fascinating. I don't want the video to be too long. Give me a thumbs up if my strategy have been working for you. Comment on the comment section below if you want me to make more explanation on entry positions and all those and few other stuff. Don't forget the link to my WhatsApp channel will be what am I even saying? The link to my WhatsApp will be in the description below, so you message me guys from there. Okay, this is the setting that I'm using, guys. I'm using on my main chart moving average, indicator window 1. If you don't know how to add the indicator window 1, feel free to message me also. Stochastic oscillator on the indicator window 1 and the moving average. Okay, that is it, guys, for here. That is it, the moving average. So the first moving average is period 10 shift 0, more simple, apply to close. Style is 4 pixel, 4 pixel of red. Okay, this is the red I'm using, 4 pixels of red. Okay, on the second one, on this oscillator, the parameter K period is 5, D period is 3, slowing is 3, period feed is low/high, method is exponential, main is 2 pixel, and signal is 2 pixel. Okay, on the level, this is where you have to be very, very important. For those of you that don't know how to add level, you come over to this place here. You first of all, you delete it. When you click on delete, just like this, when you click on delete, then you mark it. When you are done, you click good to delete it, and then you add back. This is where to add here, and you add it back. Okay, so it's very fascinating, guys, very fascinating. On the levels, we have 15, which is to buy, 50, which is profit, which is when you take your profit, and 80 to sell. So on the second moving average, the parameter, the period is 10, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to low, and style is 3 pixels. I don't have anything on my level here, guys. I don't have anything on my levels. Okay, let me show you guys something. The line the color I'm using here, the style is 3 pixels of blue, but we can change it to 4 pixel and pick any color you want. Okay, so you can see here, you can see how visible it is. So that is it, guys, for this video. Please like and subscribe, share with your loved ones. This is how to make good money without doing anything bad. This is very, very legit. Thank you very much, guys.